Okay, we're working on the 1992 Dodge Dakota LE, four-wheel drive. I got the front axle in now. The exhaust is bolted up good and tight. Got the linkage in for the transmission. That's working good. Got all the electrical taken care of except for the oxygen sensor. I need to find out where that's at. That's probably going to be it for today. Running out of time. Transmission's in. Shift linkage for the transfer case. That's your front drive axle. Transfer case is in. Counterweight, I guess, is what that is. Keeps it so all this stuff doesn't wiggle around so bad. And the drive line, also got that. So the only thing left is the exhaust. Starting with the O2 sensor and working my way back. And then I'll be able to start the truck. Okay. Oh. Oh. So that's it for the Dodge. I'm thinking it probably says 194 on it. Yeah, 194790. Interior's pretty decent. I got to put the dash back together. I was going to get the headlights so they work before I ever did that. We got a crate engine with 31,000 miles. So pretty much when I'm done with this, if everything turns out well, I'll have a truck with only 31,000 miles on it. That's what I'm shooting for. So this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.